Guys, shift first. This one is for the ladies.
All my ladies.
What if I say I have something that can transform your life and bring hope to your heart?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Picture a product that not only shrinks fibroid, but also puts a stop to their relentless regrowth. Imagine saying goodbye to heavy menstrual flows and embracing a newfound sense of freedom.
I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home.
Or not being scared of fibroids regrowing. What if I tell you this solution can increase your chances of conception, lighting up the path to your dreams of motherhood? Our Rida Restore is a blend of natural ingredients that work together to restore hormonal balance, deal with menstrual pain, correct menstrual anomalies, improve egg quality, enhance libido, correct infertility, increase chances of conception, and improve overall female reproductive health. Let us walk hand in hand on this transformative journey. Reach out to us today on WhatsApp or call. Send us a DM or simply click the link in bio to claim your own little miracle. Rida cares.